Next construction 11.2, where you have to construct a similar triangle of a given triangle as per the scale factor. Okay, so we will take the sum given in your textbook, sum number 2, that is to construct a triangle with sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and the sides are corresponding to 2/3 of the first triangle. Okay, so for that, first make a line segment of 6 cm because there are 3 cm measurements given, so take any one. Okay, and then take an arc of 4 cm from here and take an arc of 5 cm from here. Okay, now take the scale and join this. And give this name as A. So this is 4 cm and this is 6 cm. Okay, now take any measurement here from this A and draw a line like this. Take this angle as minimum as possible. Okay, now on this ray, take radius of measurement, any measurement, and draw arcs here. Because we have to construct 2 by 3, so we will make 3 arcs here. Okay, and we will be writing this as A1, A2 and A3. Because we have to make 2 by 3, so we have make 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Now the last part, that is this point, okay, you have to join with B. Okay, now after joining that, take any radius, whichever you want, take any radius, put your compass here, any radius. Okay, but keep the radius fixed. Okay, draw an arc like this which intersects this line. Okay, now the next point, take this, sorry, don't change the radius. Okay, draw another arc. Okay, just see that the radius is not changed of both this. Okay, now from this point, draw an arc of the same radius which intersects this point. So are you clear? First draw an arc like this, then another arc from here and the third arc from here. Okay, now the point where this is intersecting, this point, can you see? Okay, from that point and this point, you have to join the line which touches this AB. Okay, now give this name as D. Okay, now the same radius which you have taken here, put the point here and draw the radius like this. Next, draw the radius like another radius. So 2 radius is how we had taken here, like this and like this. The same way you have to take it here and here. And from this point, okay, intersect this arc. So 3 arcs. Like one arc was here, next here, third here. So same way here also, 1 arc, then the next arc and the third arc from here. Now the point at which this is intersecting here. Okay, from that point and this point D, you have to join these 2 points. Okay, and you can name this as E. Now can you see the triangle ADE? Now triangle ADE and this triangle ABC, triangle ABC. So this triangle and this triangle, this ADE is 2/3 of this triangle. Okay, so we get these two are similar triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2, and it is 2/3 of this triangle. I hope you are clear with this triangle. This I'm talking about, this triangle is 2/3 of this triangle. Okay, thank you.